sorry.
Let's go. Sibling rivalry. One more
In my
time.
3 chesters.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's learn something.
What? It's been working just like... Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Husky Voice Leader.
And me, Mzupela. Because I'm match energy yakho mjana.
Njani
I
ke?
say husky sana. Ungathi it's giving sugar mommy.
With a
Sugar
beard.
mommy on a mali, you know? I was like, come over here, my boy.
Are these things you've experienced before?
No. I mean, from movies.
Movies?
Yeah.
Which movie have you seen with the sugar mommy?
Look, I mean, I think in memory is not that great. So I always, you know what I mean? Tell you that.
It's also okay to speak from experience.
There's nothing that you want more than to put me on the spot on this show.
Really? Is that how
Yeah.
you feel? Guess what? Your feelings don't matter.
Sure, thanks. I feel very validated right now.
No problem.
Yeah. Andithethelele uyesu ke mnake.
Ziyabonakala izinto apha.
Definitely not.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
So how am I doing? Tina siyakwazi bunjani wena boy? How are you doing, bro?
I'm fine. I was touch and go this week, but
What's happening?
I just got a flu from
Ne?
nowhere. I didn't do anything over the weekend. I literally sat on the couch and ate and slept and sat on the couch the whole weekend. I didn't swim, obviously.
Fresh air,
Oh, the freshest of air.
Hydrated.
So much sun, so much hydration.
I wonder.
And then on my way back, I was just like, I don't know.
Go right.
Yeah.
Okay. But you're getting
But I
better.
feel much better now.
Okay,
yeah.
cool. Yeah, you sound better.
Mm.
Because I been telling now earlier on this week, and I was just like, yo, my ear go on. And I can't even go see you because I'm just like, I'm not trying to catch a flu. Bro. If there's one thing in the guy flu.
Yeah. Ndishota nje ngomuntu ojayela pakwa.
Uchayela. What do you mean?
Jayela.
Bizikhetheka lo. You know.
Oh, so nina niqonbe
Kubani nina?
khatheki khona aba bantu abendishiywe nabo
Abangakhathalela. Ayonto noyicinga man lonto leyo wena.
That's the problem, andicingi tene
Kalo
ngacingi.
sicingele and then you tell us, but yeah, Buddha.
Andizofonela umuntu ndicela
Uzathi
uzonitshayelela.
kuye can't child around.
And then while you're there,
Yeah.
abantu abanishayela around abasebenzi.
Oh, really?
Yes. Anyone who visits me, I'm like, come.
Yeah, of which it's fine. It should be the case.
Yeah, I just suck at asking.
Yeah, funny. Can you call up now?
Uzonitshayelela about tonight.
Angizokwazi
Yabona?
tonight.
You call up njani?
Kaloku you must also be open to the fact that maybe some nights andizokwazi. Also kuthe ndizawuza tonight. Imini zinabani. Awuyazi uba kuchayelwe ebusuku. Thalita umuntu onjani wena? Uziphathela amabhathi.
This is my whole church, right? Sorry. If I ask someone for something, which is really difficult, but if I get to that point of asking, I've gone through every scenario in my head of how this could go.
Yeah.
And then if the person says, oh no, I can't today, I'm not going to ask you again.
It's fine, but okay, don't ask again. We reschedule in this moment. No, andizokwazi tonight, for
Uzokwazi
example.
uzanini unonitshayelela.
Okay, maybe let's try.
2nd of May.
I'll have to check my diary. Ndingakutshayelela quickly when I drop you tonight.
Yes, that's what I was asking. What did you think I was
but
asking?
I'm a party. I thought you were asking me to come to your house specifically. Ndizochayela. Okay. No, I can come the weekend. Sunday.
Why can't you do it tonight?
Handinqamile nento zokwenza tonight. Also, you can't ask me today for today. It's tricky. I've got things to go. I've got other engagements. Date night for namhlanje. No.
Okay. Today.
Oh, ndizawutshayela namhlanje. Oh.
What?
Ndiyayazi kaloku ukuba hayi kodwa lo okay wakho andimthandi. Ndizawutshayela namhlanje.
So today I am what happened? I wasn't talking like this when I came here. Excuse me. So today, I was like, okay, it's me eating is a problem every day, right? But it's get hop on one leg, go to plate. I want to just do something. So today I did one of those frozen meals, and I was like, and it was really hot, and I was like, oh, my leg didn't feel like hopping. So then I put it in a Woolies bag.
Mhm.
And then
Imile, so.
Emile so nafaka nefolok, and then I was like, perfect. And I got to the couch and I sat down, and half of it was sitting in the Woolies bag.
Siqondile. Siqondile. Isister saphela kaku. Because now ufaka into plastic uyimise andiyazi, like in that 30 seconds something is definitely gone wrong. So I keep playing kuyo kunoboya. Was a Woolies.
No, I just had half my food, the one that
You
was
didn't
still-
eat
No,
the other half.
the one that was in the Woolies bag.
Yeah.
No.
Eat it.
No.
No, I'll be a training. Probably one of the cleanest things is probably the Woolies bag, because the only thing that goes in there are things that is rich.
It's not like it was gaga le chicken, ne gaga le broccoli.
I would have scraped that Woolies bag, mate. I would have scraped that Woolies bag. Yo ungangatyi mos right uba ungabi nguye nomkhwetha. Noma ungaphuma ungumcinga wena.
Kuthiwa ntoni?
Sento ngingayiscrape mlalani kuwala Woolies bag, is what I'm saying.
Because you've got experience.
Yeah, very few things kind of like really like put me off, and I know there's people who are like completely different. Like benike ndavula inantsika ndiqume ukutya ngokune the microwave dish. Xa sindiyavula apho okwasike kwataka impukane. I'm like, oh.
After you'd warmed it.
Yeah, no, I didn't warm it, so I just covered it.
Oh.
Xa ndisithi kwataka impukane. And then urumza wam wandijonga wathi, are you gonna eat it, daddy? Yeah. What? Are you joking? Even if benibone amaqanda alo mpukane abo, bendizawasusa amaqanda nditye ibheka. What?
Okay.
What are we
I draw
doing?
the line at Susamakanda. Impukane.
So ibheka, ne? And then you get maybe like 3,000 or 4,000 eggs on this thing. But obviously they're small, right? You're throwing it away.
Yes. It's
Oh,
contaminated.
you're throwing away the top part. Entire burger.
The burger, the chips, anything else on the
That's
table. That's not going to feed them. It's not going to feed them.
Wow. Look, sidalwe ngendlela ezingafaniyo. Mna ndayityile ibheka yam ndingenaqala. Zenza incasa eza gems, in fact, yabo.
Okay, how are you?
Great.
Besides eating fly eggs, how are you?
Great, man. I'm just actually, when it comes to eating, I've noticed something weird over the past week, 2 weeks. And fun with an appetite. I've got an appetite, but I'm lambi. I can go the whole day ndingakhange ndilambe.
Ufike ulambile.
So what happens is that I was just like, I didn't eat earlier. So now I'm like, I need to get something to eat because I'm lambi. Do you know what I mean? Now, appetite con. I got plenty of an appetite, but I just don't get hungry anymore, famished. Very, very strange. But yeah, I suppose it's not the worst problem to have, because also ndiyakuthanda ukutya, so it's not like I'll go days without eating.
You like food?
Yeah. I don't like to make the choice for food. I don't like, but I like food. So yeah, but yeah, this Easter weekend was a big weekend. I had a run.
Had many runs.
And I believe I realized on Friday, after running a 50K, that maybe Comrades is
A
possible.
50K?
Yeah.
You ran a 50 on Friday?
Yeah. 50 on Friday, 30 on Saturday, 20 on Sunday. That's 100. Easter 100. And Ballet Easter 100.
And then how did your feet do in the 50?
So in the 50, we did a thing whereby the end got, my feet usually get sore at about 35 Ks plus. So earlier than 35 Ks, before my feet got sore, then got ice and put my feet in ice and ice water, changed my shoes, changed my socks.
Mm.
Then did the ice thing for about 2 minutes, and then we carried on. And then, then it was fine.
So your feet never got sore?
Not abnormally sore. They just got what
Normal, where you
guess
yeah,
is
it's normal for running that.
correct.
much.
So that like gave me so much hope, man. I was like, maybe comrades is actually possible. So get back on for a comrades.
We've been back on.
So okay, I know I gave you 1st of May, but sit back on for a comrades song. See on for a comrades. I've already got what you guys need to do. All of that now. I'm working out a strategy. Sipholile si on for a comrades. And ngizayigqiba kulo nyaka.
Usixelele basi on ngoku thina sesibhukisha amatikiti.
Andali kaloku yenu le ndanthe 1st of May. Me, I said 1st of May.
Okay.
You understand?
Sure.
So okay, low way. But also andilali man gogo man. Yeah, andiyazi kwenzeka ntoni.
Like you sleep a lot.
Yo, I sleep and the sleeper deep. Ditiniwe man.
You're doing a lot.
Ditiniwe, I think ditiniwe. And also I think me not eating as much as I think I used to eat as well. I think no more malnutrition.
Kwashi yoko.
Let's show your friend. I must look at this thing, get on my protein, get on my stuff, maybe even go to the gym, do pangamishinsimi, because the last thing I want to go fatala because also I'm running so much. So my energy is always depleted. So low way. But other than that, pretty cool. Everything's cool. Everything's nice.
Mm-hmm.
We do what we gotta do.
Mm-hmm.
Know what it is.
I just want to say, like, just for future reference, blings to you specifically, is that if nibona sisenza enye into engengokuhlala apha, yabona sincokole nani, mhlambi senze enye into senza noba ngumgara, noba yintoni, nje ni interact nayo, sizophinda sibize. Siyanicela nje.
Akwethu. Hey, uyitela ngesixhosa.
Please guys, just for future reference. Sayazi laa nto xa uqala ubona abantu kwindawo ongaqhelanga ubabona kuyo.
Oh, I love what you are doing.
So ke bandikhe nasibona in the near future senze enye into mhlawumbi ningaqhelanga usibona siyenza. Oh, please interact, share, yayiva, comment. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Yeah.
Ndizayithenga
loo nto. I did.
Njalo. So that's Pinesbize, guys. That's literally it. So we can keep coming back here, so we can keep doing other things.
100%.
And if beningayazi, I know a lot of you don't know, but nam ndiku Instagram ngoku. So
it's a private so.
Ngayeka kudala.
Oh, he pride tell it. Pride aside. Buyele ngoku ze apha ebahlalini ze kuthi ngo.
Cela noko ninfollowishe noko guys noko yabona nibaninzi and is followers zami.
Exactly followers lo sisi. Digani ni follow.
No, followers zami they don't yabo.
Yeah. They don't what? They don't what? They don't speak who you are. Ngoba uzokwazi nobizwa kwezinye indawo ufuna ubizwa kuyo.
Exactly. Noko masibone ngani ke when this episode drops wabona ngani ke.
Hafa ndini asizokulandela ku-Instagram asifuna ubona your real life. Nxa kubuyenze enye post about this is welcome to my real life. I want to see your real life on Instagram, bro.
Zuko, why are you hating?
I'm not hating.
I'm asking people to do something and you're going, nah.
I'm trying to warn you, but maybe you won't get as much because I say in real life, because your real life reminds us of our real lives. Kaukuthi for Louis V back.
Where am I gonna get it?
Ukuhlalela wena ngathi uzawuphuka intambo abubonise ini badge Porsche. You understand that? That's okay. Yayiva. Into sakwazi ke ngokuthi give us some talkability. You understand? Now, just sweeping at my place with one leg. Oh.
I haven't posted any of that.
And I don't know where you are going with it. It concerned me when you said giving you a view into my real life. You said something about the real life.
Yes, and it's a podcast. It's like getting to know
Welcome
the
to my
real me.
life. Oh, we don't want to know the real you.
So I must delete it now.
No, don't delete it. I'm just saying my content.
People loved that. So with all the followers I have, I already have more than half of my followers have liked it. When is the last time you had that?
Pauline.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Those numbers are amazing.
Pauline. Okay. Okay. Goodbye, content producer.
Go ahead, bro. I don't care. Yes.
Okay, cool.
You don't have the time for it, but okay. People are like nagging me about yenza la drop. La dump.
Dump and faceless dump. By April. Oh.
You see? Yeah.
Yeah,
You're bored already.
I appreciate the amount of effort that people put into these things, hey?
Dude.
It's just that when I look at it, I'm just like, what? I could never, mate. Like, I don't know, but maybe it's a bit of money second wind now I'm quasi ukubangena. Now I'm getting the dump njalo. You understand? Yeah. So okay, Londole.
Do you have a closeness?
Yes. Yes.
The causeness of it all.
Dog. I do have a closeness which came from a bling.
Oh, nice.
Right? Nasiphi usibethe nge-closeness of it all, and something very interesting. These are called Xhosa homonyms. Yo, homonyms.
Homonyms.
Omabizo afane. Amagama afanayo anentsingiselo eyahlukileyo.
Oh, okay.
Words that are the same
but have different
that
meanings.
have different meanings. Uze.
Nice.
As an example.
My favorite.
Right.
Ubulele.
Whoa.
Oh.
Right? So first and foremost, so I'm going to give you the word. You're going to give me the two meanings.
Okay.
Itanga.
Itanga. Thigh.
Yes.
Itanga. Pumpkin.
Aha!
Pumpkin thigh.
No, yeah, pumpkin and thigh. Please don't confuse our visitors and our listener, watchers, viewers.
That's so strange though.
No.
That those two words would have the same name.
Is it just not? It is very strange. It is very strange. Ulusu. You only know one meaning.
Ulusu. Tripe.
Yes.
Is the other one pronounced the same?
Yeah.
Ulusu.
Okay.
Something to do with ukwelusa.
No.
Okay, then I don't know.
Yamdala se next to ulusu. That's all. Skin somdu. Skin.
Ulusu.
Yeah.
Umbuluswa. What?
Okay. It's just skin, man.
Yeah.
Skin. Right?
Okay.
Is it pronounced the same?
No. I think it's ulusu.
Is it? Okay. Nice. Amabele.
Amabele like King Kong. You know what?
Sorghum.
Sorghum.
Yes. Okay.
And then titties.
Okay. Breasts. Indanga.
Indanga. People are the same age.
Age mates, yeah, sure.
Indanga. It's like the seeds of pumpkin.
Ooh! You're so good! Okay, cool.
You know, they say when you can't do one thing, other things get better. I can't walk, so my brain.
Lightile. Fantastic. I'm gonna save the other 3 for next next time.
Oh, these are great.
Yeah. Those are from Nasipi. Shout out Nasipi. Thank you so much for those.
Thanks,
That was
Nasipi.
really, really
Good
cool.
looking out for sure.
So that's very interesting because I wonder, are there words like that in English? No.
Yes. But the fact that the word homonyms exist, it means there's words like that. Oh, yeah. Otherwise, what would be the point?
But isingesi sinalando mosifani ka right, no right, but the spelling changes.
Yeah, the
But
spelling
the
changes.
pronunciation. I wonder if homonyms have got anything to do with sound over actual spelling.
Bark.
Roof, and the bark of a tree. Okay.
Bear.
Bear. B-A-R-E or B-E-A-R?
B-E-A-R.
Ibere. And I can't bear it. Yes, because the other bear is unclothed.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's very interesting.
Tear.
Tear. Tear and tear.
Spelled the same.
Looks
Yes.
the same.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, there's a lot. Present.
Present.
Oof.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
No, that's all good.
I'm proud of myself.
Yeah. It's good to have those lessons, mate. It's very good to have those lessons. Otherwise,
I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who put their hand up for the psychology of it all. There was so much more people than I thought would or existed. Thank you so much, guys. There's a thing I'm working on now, so I've got a grasp on a person or two. So thanks. I appreciate you guys putting your hands up.
cool. Do you have an idea of the kind of format that it's going to take?
Not really. I was actually thinking like if I do, if I take like certain psychological terms and then like have breakdowns of what they actually are, I think that would be cool. Because I don't want to be the subject of the thing, obviously.
Blue therapy, Blue Monday, you know that? But like a real one. When you're telling us about your real life.
No ways. But just to have a psychologist and different kinds of psychologists explaining different that thing. Different terms, yeah.
Okay.
And then we
different
chat
things.
about them and then I'll go, okay, but does it count as this if it's that, if this is the
Does it look
behavior
like this?
or whatever, or does it look like this? What can it look like? What can it present as? That thing. So to just kind of open up our eyes to, because I feel like we also generalize a lot. These terms, we generalize them a lot and we don't necessarily know where they come from and therefore just use them in like this cool kid way that we've kind of decided
Yeah,
to
correct.
be. Yeah. And
Just
so,
like wonke umuntu-
wonke umuntu uyi-narcissist.
Yeah, I was just about to use that exact same term.
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu ongavumelani nawe okanye who puts themselves first or whatever the case may be. And it's
Yeah.
not always correct, right?
No, not at all.
And just because you don't like something, it doesn't mean there's something wrong with the next person. Because when you don't like it or you don't like how it feels or whatever, then a lot of stories. So I think that would be really, really great in terms of demystifying of sorts.
Yeah, I think that's the angle I want to take, is a demystifying kind of angle. And then obviously if people have questions, then have like a segment for questions as well.
Okay, that's cool. I like that. Yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to it. Do you have any ideas on the start date? Maybe May,
May, definitely.
beginning of May.
Yeah. Yeah.
Frequency?
I was thinking once a month is too short,
It's too short.
too long of a period of time.
time.
So once every 2 weeks for now.
Okay. Okay, and that was determined by what? By you want to see how it's going to pick up. Okay.
But I'm also just not sure of my own schedule.
Oh yes, then there's that.
Yeah.
Because you actually have a real life
That I shouldn't put on Instagram.
that you shouldn't put on Instagram.
That's what you said.
And that's just me, bro. Also, like, I doesn't
My
know.
number one hater.
Ndingumntu nam, guys, at the end of the day, I don't know it all. I've got opinions, and I've got very strong opinions, but I don't know everything. So just because I say something, it doesn't mean anything, actually.
Yeah, but then you influence other people to think the same way.
Correct, just like they influence me, and everyone influences each other. I'm Zitembe, man. That's what needs to happen in life.
I guess.
Yeah, that's exactly what needs to happen.
Singoland when I'm planning at
Yeah, asifundini. Kaloku ngoza ne topic namhlanje. Talente bemebuze ne topic ke guys namhlanje.
Nyani?
Ewe.
Okay.
Andiza ku outstanding.
Yeah, like a last born does.
Yeah, sure. Makes you accountable. That's what she means.
I remember someone had said, "Bah, we should take a look at what, like, ba uzithengisa sanjani, like on a dating site."
Uzithengisa njani?
Yes, like what is the right things to put on your bio? What are the right things to do and say and act like when you start chatting to someone? Because it just seems like people don't know how to act.
Ayingabo ababantu abaresponda kuwe.
Abathini?
Ababanga know how to act. Mhlawumbe act the right way.
Yeah, fine. But are we saying, for instance, let's start with pictures, right? If the pictures you put up there, must you put pictures of you looking amazing all the time? Yes. Right? Also, you're not
So
gonna-
real, see if you're funny.
Yes. But a lot of men have pictures of them with their friends.
Because I don't take pictures alone, because I don't like taking pictures alone, because I think
So
it's
there's a lot
creepy.
about balo, gumpi.
Fondini indaba yakho leyo, phone figure it out. Nanganga look into pictures. It's a thing of like, I don't take pictures alone. Like I don't. What happens if I don't take pictures alone?
Then take some pictures alone.
For a dating site?
Eh.
Oh no, that's guys. It's giving a bit of desperation there.
You're here because something is off.
For no dizile nje inporekile.
Okay, fine. So according
Also, you must remember, Uguti, what do you think are the percentages of people who are on dating sites for genuine reasons versus people that are on dating sites for non-genuine reasons? That's another thing we need to consider. Because people are treating dating sites like Instagram, you understand? Or on TikTok or TikTok or whatever the case may be.
I think obviously there's less people who are there for genuine reasons
Yes,
than there are for
there's less.
yes.
So genuine reasons, 30%.
Yes.
Okay.
And the 70% is for a good time. What's a genuine reason to date and find the love of your life?
Yeah, I'm trying to find the love of my life that I'm going to date long term and perhaps might end in marriage or a long term partnership. Let me put it like that. That's a genuine reason.
So what if it's a short-term partnership? Is that not a genuine reason?
I guess genuine is relative.
That's my real reason. If I'm here for a good time, that's my real reason.
It's genuine. Go. Fair. Yeah, fair.
And if I say it, then that's what makes it genuine. Because I could go on there and say, I want the love of my life, but I'm just looking for a fun time.
Correct.
So then are you
So
real
genuine,
people?
true. Genuine is true. It's not. It's something that is true. It's not
No matter
necessarily
what it is.
No matter what it is, it's genuine. Yeah. I like that.
Right?
Yes.
So you can't be wrong if it's true. You can't be in.
If it's true, then I was about disingenuous.
Yes. I almost did the wrong thing. Okay, fine. So then, fine. Let's say then your reason for being there is to find someone, a long-term partner. Ne?
Okay.
Then you have to write a bio about me. What?
I give me 0. Ndingathi ndiyidownloadile indibuza too much like can pull me up.
How is someone supposed to get to
Yeah.
know you?
Huh?
How is someone supposed
In
to
real life, I am against online dating. And quite no chat mna. Yabona yo, how many steps would I need to get through in order to manage number? I've got no chatting. Hey, with a stranger, no, I'll call you. Delita, nah, this it's lost on me, bro,
Yeah.
because I'm just like I'd never be able to do any of this. Fun-loving guy. And it's just not who I am. And shba abantu bayenzayo batheni. Now I'm a talker.
I'm not asking you to go on a dating site. I'm just asking you to say something about yourself.
Bro, that's like an interview or a person. You meet a person for the first time and they say, tell me about yourself. What do you say? Okay, what what are the parameters in which you operate? Do you go professionally? Do you go
No, don't go.
emotionally? Do you go
Yes, a little bit of everything.
financially?
Yes, a little bit of everything.
Like, hey, this is Puma with the depth review. Hey, that was a tough time in my life.
No.
I'm just saying. I really don't like spam calls. Oh, man, go man, insurance.
No.
And I'm not demanding attitude. Hi, how are you? Did you find?
You're already talking too much. Give me 3 sentences. Don't tell me about your
3
life story.
sentences.
Yes.
Okay. The Puma get to have the review. Eh? What?
You have 3 sentences to talk about yourself, and the first thing you want to say is that you were in date review.
Fanini Tini. I love God. And
Okay.
that's in this one. Baptism.
That's inferred by you love God. You don't have to tell us how far you love him.
Okay. What's wrong? Are your inner demons being touched?
No.
So,
You only have 3 sentences and you're wasting them is what I'm trying to say.
okay. I'm
I'm a
family
runner.
guy. No, man. Running is not my personality.
No, but it's the thing you do a lot of.
Okay.
And so somebody needs to know about
Funny, there's so much of me.
Yes,
I
but
know, not physically, but like otherwise, like
yeah, but you're struggling to explain parts of you.
explaining now is important.
Okay, fine, go ahead. I'm
You
listening.
understand?
Mm.
And you know, I hate it. I hate talking about myself. I think we can safely decide. Okay, but how about you tell me about yourself, Talita?
Ew. I should have brought my other phone.
For what?
So I could show you what my things were. I
hate it. I hate it. What are you doing? Ucho, explain them to me.
I love the outdoors. I'm a gym girly. And I'm an artist
Okay.
in
Oh.
many ways.
Okay, what kind of artist? So you don't love your family? like there's so many
As
things.
it's inferred that you love your family, because you're not going to
Wow.
say, I hate my family.
Mhlawumbe beef for sister yakho and brother yakho.
Yeah, but the internet doesn't need to know that. You might get to know that if we meet, but you're not going to know that even if we're chatting on WhatsApp.
Okay, so you are a outdoors girl. But art in the arts, and a gem girly. Okay. So that is meant to pull out commonalities.
Yes.
Wenzel, but if I'm with her, okay, you know what? I think getting closer to what the purpose of a bio is,
Sure.
then I get it. I still don't know what I would put on mine. Because also like, so it's the things that,
You could have in common with someone else.
but do you want that?
You want a few things in common, yes.
Okay. So you pick the
important ones to you.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So it's important to me that someone works out, for an example.
Okay.
So I'll put that I work out.
Is it a deal breaker?
It could be, depending.
On by millions and hayi ngathi awuyazi answer ndiyakuphendulela ndiyakubuza wena ndiyakuphendulela.
Exactly. Fine. But then, are we happy now?
Okay, sharp. Guys, iBio is meant for you to be able to pull out similarities. Yaiva, so that you've got things in common that you can talk about. Yayibona yo ithethe ngejim ke ngoku bench press abani njalo njalo. Fair. No, fair. I think that's a very cool way to kind of explain it.
Sure.
So not a place for you to talk about who you want to be or who you wish to be.
Where your potential lies. No.
100%. Okay.
Who are you right now?
Okay, who are you right now? What are your big interests?
Yes.
Fair. Okay. Then it's very difficult to get it wrong. Not unless awuzazi interests zakho, the things that you are really interested in, which some people don't know,
Yeah.
but I think it's a very easy way to be able to do the thing.
I see a lot of guys struggling with bios, and then like they just try to be funny and just saying they're awkward, and then you're just like, oh, this person doesn't know the things they like necessarily.
So us sense of humor, kind. No.
But uthi wena, I've got a sense of humor,
I've
and I'm
got a
kind.
great sense of humor.
According to
And I'm humble. Yabo, and I'm kind. That doesn't belong there. Bio is for interests.
yeah,
A bio is for interest.
true.
Yoba wena, you are no.
Because you could also just lie. You could also just be like, I'm humble, I'm kind, and you're like the worst person in the world.
Sithi ba humble. Usixelele bo humble.
Ewe, uzova ngathi ba humble.
Okay. Then ke ngoku looking for umbhalabi. Ntoni?
Okay.
Looking for umbhalabi.
Okay, but zikhona indawo ezinayo, but you can also make your own thing up. So you can ubhale heading looking for.
Okay.
Zikhona, I know on Hinge zikhona bakhona looking for.
Okay. Okay, then kubhale ke part.
Yeah, then ubhale ba looking for a tall Christian man in his 40s. Maybe.
Okay.
If that's what you're looking for.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then also looking for the type of relationship that you're looking.
Yes. That what are you here for? I'm here for a good time, not a long time.
Hey, but can't you? I'm going back to this thing, your picture. Man, it's trying so hard.
People don't meet people anymore in the streets.
But also now, it's fine. A look for Nini. Are we not now focusing too much on looks? If we are saying, but now so for the nature of the way the consequences of one mungompi. Chongi interest for man interested to just bonus.
So here's my chat, right? Your first picture, it can't be the group photo. Fine, you can have group photos.
I hate how looking pictures though, bro. Individuals, it's so in crop umntu babona isandla sijikile apha limcrop ancane. Oh no. Yo, that's such a difficult thing, man. I just feel like I just wish someone could fall in love with me as I was born.
Where?
I don't know, bro.
How does this happen? How do you foresee this happening?
But you read my bio and you're like, oh, okay, interesting. No.
Look, I've chatted with people with no pictures of themselves because I'm also very interested in those human beings. Just like, we came on here, I put that pictures of a Porsche Nendaba, and you're like, come and chat to me.
Yeah. Because I'm just a person, human being.
Yeah, but looks are important. We can't run away from that.
But ziyaqheleka mani looks, guys. Akwagezelwa umuntu omhle. Ubuqamba ubona naloo nto leyo. Because umuntu ngudoti womuntu. So I don't know. It's strange, but I suppose it's life. It is what it is.
This is where we are currently at the moment. Honestly, in terms of interpersonal relationships, silapa.
Yeah.
Because if you're not going out every weekend, you're not meeting anyone. Because you're Spani, you're Chimini, where are you meeting these people?
At the shops. But abantu basenaso nesibindi.
No. Umuntu ukujonga at the shops though for the whole time. Angathi nix. And then you meet them on the site and they go, oh, I saw you at the spa the other day.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, so yika man, abantu are scared. I don't know. It's not a problem that I have. So
Clearly. Just by your disdain.
Yeah, no, guys, it's a tricky, very, very tricky thing, mate. But yeah, it is what it is.
Don't lie about your age. Don't lie about your height. Oh, height. Oh. People don't know how tall they are, first and foremost.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's very true.
I'm
I'm 6'3". South Africans need to have 6'3", no 4'8". And they have no
5'11".
5'11".
Don't you know what you are in inches?
Go bombe 5'11" or 6'3".
6'3".
6'3".
The higher you go.
Okay. It sounds like a code, man. I don't even know how many inches make a centimeter.
I'm 5'5".
5'5". Okay.
165 centimeters.
Okay. 175 centimeters.
I want to go 5 something though.
Ah, for 6.
Yeah, you've. I'm at IT. I know, but I'm 16.
6'11".
6'11" is great.
6'99".
I fell like 11, by the way. And you're like, you look short in pictures. You're not 6'2". You're not 6'2" at all.
Hashtag. Yeah, no, that's all good. That's so funny.
So no, come on, guys. Oh, enough is enough. You come here to come and lie. And then I will find the truth out.
Yeah.
Eventually, I'll know about.
But hopefully by then you will have fallen in love with me, bro.
So you
And it
tricked
won't matter.
me, basically.
Nah, shawty. Listen up. I don't know, bro. But we don't trust ourselves. So it's just like when you putting your best foot forward, right?
But that's
you
not your
meet
fault.
someone new, ne? And you omit. We'll take a review. My favorite topic.
Maybe that should be the topic.
No, this is the thing. No, we don't talk about it enough. No, it's such a taboo. Oh, no.
Kunini stranger singenaphi kwamatyala akho.
Mhlawumbi laa mntu ufuna umane uphangela phi laa mntu mhlawumbi angacimela amatyala mhlawumbi uphangela eSARS laa mntu angakunika i-rebate okanye mhlawumbi laa mntu uphangela endaweni yamatyala angakuncedisa. You never know where your help will come from.
So funeka umane uthetha ngamatyala akho kumuntu wonke just in
It's
case.
not a big thing. It's just under that review. So
It's
what?
embarrassing.
Oh, it's there. There we go. That's the problem. We are embarrassed by things that shouldn't even be embarrassing to us.
We're embarrassed by these things because it's things that we could have done without and we did them to ourselves. That's why they're embarrassing.
Correct, but I'm pretty sure we did them singayaz. Unless you're saying I'm a bomb. If you're a bomb, then you should be even proud.
If awubhatala amatyala akho, you
Uhlulakala.
know what you're doing.
You need help, my nigga. That's what needs to happen.
Yes.
Yeah, so talk about it to as many people.
But the problem is you present as someone else on Instagram. You don't present as someone who needs help. You present as umuntu ohambe brunch every Saturday. Umuntu ohambe
Hlala
nje-
phansi kaloku wena.
This is the thing. We don't
So, yeah,
present
If you
as
can't write it on your bio, don't do it. This is my thing. Man. Man bayathina man.
wena ba ungadibana nomuntu masithi ubusingle mhlawumbe ngenye imini. Uba ungadibana nosisi, like the first chat you guys are talking about, and then she mentions she's under date review. Ungacinga ntoni?
Oh, ndingakubuza.
Ufuna istory?
Ewe, kuthiwa dead review. Uphinde ukwazi uthenga ubomi bakho bonke. Yinyani, ingaba kanti yinyani leyo. Ungene njani? What made you? Dog, do you know how much information? Like I saw a post on on Instagram where some lady was just like, things that my husband and I talk about when it comes to finances, whatever. And she was just like, I'm really curious about this kind of content, so that's why I posted about my own life. And the comments that were there were like, yo, Mchana, thank you so much for talking about this. We get into so much trouble as people because we just aren't honest about things and don't. I'm a big advocate for Orlando, man. Guys, xa ungena emngxunyeni ngathi ungena emngxunyeni nangama ungazange wangenwa mntu ungena emngxunyeni omtsha ungangena emngxunyeni esikuwo apha, maybe even as friends, maybe even as family, maybe even as whatever. Do you know what I mean? It's like, it's completely like pointless. Then what's the point of a community if we can't do those things?
For sure. The embarrassment should be taken away by your need to not repeat other people's mistakes.
Yes.
Yeah.
You need to not suffer.
You need to not suffer first and foremost. Yeah.
Because I think that's what becomes the primary thing. But afundini sabona phambili because of pride.
And you would rather suffer.
Pride.
A lot of people would rather suffer
Yeah, izasibulala pride.
than to be
And yasibulala.
yeah. Than to be open enough to be vulnerable. Because that's what it feels like. It feels like vulnerability.
Absolutely. And I think we've got a policy, me and a friend of mine, and we actually spoke about it this week. We were just like, now, I don't know, andisakumbula babekusenza kantoni. But ndifuna umxelela into. Ndithi hayi ke funa ungandijaji. Why now asijajani thina? Cha, siyacebisana, siyalungisana, we help each other see perspective. At the end of the day. And I think that's what becomes missing a lot of the time. It's we don't say the things that are paining us or hurting us because there's only judgment. And aba bachachayo, nabo bachacha from a very high seat. Nabo, they won't tell you their problems because they judge you, boyiku judgwa nabo, and then everyone suffers.
Yeah.
So I think it's a very tricky thing, and I think maybe we should maybe, I don't know, I need to think about it. And maybe
But also,
talk about it.
aba bantu babaliselayo against judgment, against zinto. Who are these people that you fear judging you? Your friends.
Your friends, your family members.
Are these really your friends?
Well,
The people you've picked to go through life with?
correct. But kaloku you must remember also, friendship ayifani.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Friendship levels as well.
Yeah. And people are friends for different reasons, and it's a whole vibe.
Absolutely. So, which is, I think, something that we spoke about before. It's very important to say, but I can like friendship get your mom.
It's a really nice time.
Yeah. Picking friends is like picking a partner. Actually.
What's in your friendship bio?
Yes.
Funa ntoni Chomi?
Yes. Because a lot of people, they get it wrong. But wherever Talita is, you understand? Yeah, is what is. Understand? And that's why I'm your friend, because you give me relevance. Did you send money home? Ndikuxelela mna uba ndiwine imali ubusithi wena thumela oledi. Sorry. Yabo? So that's also an entire thing.
Yeah.
There should be got dating sites that show me to make friends. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah,
Even like as sites zikhoyo zinayo like ndayazi ba uBumble unayo
Just
friendship. Yeah.
Hey, abalobi noma bakhona lapha friendship. Okay. That's cool.
That's very cool. But it's crazy to me how many people will be like on the socials just be like, I have no friends. It's like, how did we get here?
Man. I have no friends. We got here by feeling like we need to protect ourselves so much. No one can ever get close to you. You've got walls as high as the walls of Jericho.
Fine, but it's the same person saying, "Ba, nini invite girls, nam I have no friends, nam ndicela ukwenza izinto nabanye abantu, whatever." So it's giving, I want friends, but I have none. How did you get to a place where you have no friends?
It's not wanting to, it's having a certain I think thinking of what a friendship is, but then not also bringing into cognizance ukuthi what that looks like and what it needs to look like. Umanda ukuthi I've got friends, but akumandanga ukuthi mjana emotionally and right. Akumandanga ukuthi anamali, akumandanga to do all those things. And I think they do have the concept of I have no friends, but and also very often ngaba abantu bebesti ke abo no friends adibana nawe namhlanje bebesti yakhe. And it's not a thing of being able to build to step out into where we need to step out into in order to have and cultivate certain relationships, which makes it quite tricky, man. Because I was phone home crane sharp.
Okanye wena uyojomi sharp, which is why you don't have friends. Is because you don't know how to friend. Ngoku usis aram ezingenachomi on the internet.
Correct.
And abantu abakwazi you're like, we see why.
Yeah, absolutely. So many things that happen. I like the friendship thing on these sites. Because then you can meet commonalities. Because sometimes you don't have the things that you are interested in, you don't have them in common with the friends out.
Yes. And now you're just like, funa umdu opracticele high rocks unyaka wonke. You know what I mean?
That's cool.
Yeah.
I like that part of it. It's nice and innocent.
You're joining joiner.
Not when.
No, I've got the perfect amount of people in my life right
really?
now. Yes.
Okay.
I don't think I need more.
Got you. No, that's 100%.
Papa didn't get chance.
So was the galo.
Oh,
let me read the board for you, then you tell me what it means to you. Life is meant to be spent, not saved.
You know, people are alive, but they're not living.
Yeah.
Right? They are perform like in and out every day. But they are not trying things out, falling and standing up, exploring.
Okay.
And that's you spending your life. That's what spending your life is. Saving your life is doing exactly that. But hi, anzuyenza into ethile. It might
Living
turn
in a little
into
corner.
this living in a corner, just being too scared to try stuff at the end of the day.
Okay.
And spending your life is being willing and being willing to fall, being willing to fail, being
Get
willing
the scratch.
to get the scratch. Instead of going, oh no, I have no scratches on my legs and I don't want any, so therefore I'm not going to do anything that could possibly give me a scratch.
Because there's no value in that? In preserving?
You don't see.
In preserving it?
Well, no, there isn't. Because how do you grow? How do you succeed? How do you see things you've never seen before? How do you experience things you've never experienced before?
So, we are saying that you must take a risk.
Yeah, that's what life is.
Life is a risk.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
Are you bonjal?
Look, I mean, I agree with you 100%. Because if you're never exposed to different things, you never get to change. If you never get to change, you never get to grow.
You're standing in one spot.
And I think more than anything else, you can't grow backwards. You can only grow forward. Otherwise, you're not growing.
Well,
and
what's regression?
It's not growing. It's not growing backwards.
Because there's no such thing as growing backwards.
Correct. So that's what I'm saying. So if you're talking about growth, it can only be in one direction. You understand? So I absolutely agree with that, Tukuti. Nyani, there's things that we want to save our beliefs, save our perspectives, and no. And that doesn't give us an opportunity to change.
Mm,
And the one thing that is constant in life is change.
for sure.
So if you're not changing, then you're in problem.
Yeah. And we're constantly evolving as human beings. And if you're not evolving, then there's something wrong.
Yeah.
Because that's literally the plan is
yo.
to continue evolving.
Yeah. If I'm not never thought of that. If I'm not changing, then there's something wrong. Woo! Bars! Yo! Massive bars, bro. Yeah. Okay. I like that. If I'm not changing, there's something wrong.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can't be the same person
Wow.
all your life.
Wow. Yo, that's tough.
Thanks, guys, for joining us. Please remember the words that we spoke at the beginning of this episode. If you forgot them, please go back and you can watch them.
Shout out.
But Skonde zayo wethu Jason. Yabona sanondlalela. Thanks for coming. We look forward to your comments as per usual. Let us know what you think.
You know what it is? All from me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Don't forget. Love each other.
Yo, we actually did it on cue perfectly today.
For the first time ever.